Johnson, and welcome to Q&A with Kamau Johnson. Join me as I reflect my graduation from WorldQuant University and the academic journey that shaped my career in data science and machine learning. Let's get to it.
Who are you and what inspired you to pursue data science?
Kenya with a passion for using technology to solve real-world problems. My interest in data science grew from my curiosity about how data can be used to drive for decisions and create meaningful impact. As a self-taught learner, I wanted to transform the curiosity into practical skills, of which WorldQuant University did it best.
Why did you choose WorldQuant University?
I chose WorldQuant University.
We interrupt this broadcast to bring you this special message.
Tech News Kenya's Kamau Johnson was recognized among Africa's rising tech talents after his inspiring data science journey was published by WorldQuant University last month. His story highlighted innovation, consistency, and the growing impact of African developers on the global stage, showcasing Kenyan talent to a wider international audience.
Because of its practical, project-based approach of learning, I wanted more than theoretical knowledge, of which I had done through my self-taught journey. I wanted hands-on experience, real-world projects, and a structured learning path that would prepare me for a career in data science and machine learning, of which WorldQuant University did it best. Yeah.
What did you learn during your journey?
I completed the data science lab, computer visions lab, and the deep learning fundamentals lab, where I gained practical experience in Python, data analysis, machine learning, and computer vision, and solving real-world problems with data using projects. Every project strengthened both my technical and my confidence, of which I really gained a lot from it.
What was the biggest challenge and how did you overcome it?
Adapting to increasingly complex projects over time. They required patience, critical thinking, and persistence. By staying consistent and treating every challenge as a learning opportunity, I became a more confident and capable problem solver for most of the projects, and it really made me gain experience, of which I have.
How has WorldQuant University transformed you?
Approach problems instead of simply writing code.
By the way, we're pleased to share that Kamau Johnson was featured in the WorldQuant University Alumni Story of the Week, with his journey published and highlighted internationally. You can view the full feature via the link in the comments below.
I learned to think like a data scientist, analyzing data, asking the right questions, and developing solutions with purpose. It gave me both technical skills and a stronger problem-solving mindset.
How has this experience impacted your career?
The knowledge I gained has helped me build stronger projects, participate in hackathons, and also I won the Nairobi County Web3 and Blockchain Hackathon, which was last year. It also strengthened my portfolio, expanded my professional opportunities, and brought me one step closer to my goal of becoming a machine learning engineer, of which I know I will pursue in future.
What's next for you?
University marks the beginning of an exciting new chapter. I'll continue expanding my expertise in machine learning and artificial intelligence, building impactful projects, participating in hackathons, and creating technology that solves real-world problems. After next year, I'll also graduate from Catholic University of Eastern Africa, which I'm taking my degree currently, and all the best to me. Yeah.
Final thoughts.
University has been a significant milestone in my academic and professional journey. I'm grateful for the knowledge, experience, and confidence it has given me, and I'm excited about what lies ahead. Thank you for watching Q&A with Johnson Kamau, or Kamau Johnson. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me as I continue sharing my journey in data science, machine learning, and technology.